Namaskar, I am Lakshman Navnath Chavan, unique code MICR2009-Lakshman, presenting a seminar on studies on cellulolytic and lignolytic soil microorganisms for effective decomposition of crop residue for partial fulfillment of requirements for pre-PhD coursework 2021 in microbiology under the guidance of Dr. Prakshant Dikshit Sir, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Microbiology, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Subcampus, Usmanabad. Introduction. Recent days, we well aware about environmental pollutions caused due to disposal of post-harvested crop residue. The conventional method of solid waste disposal, such as dumping on the land or into water bodies and casual composting, causes environmental pollution. In Marathwada, cotton crop residue is disposed of by burning, which result in loss of potential sources of organic matter and valuable plant nutrients. Though there is infinite number of work done on decomposition of various substrates, there is feeble information on decomposition of cotton crop residue, which is causing a main concern in cotton cultivation area. Significance. The cotton crop residue is rich in organic carbon and has a wide CN ratio. The microbial decomposition of cotton of cellulose is one of the major process in maintaining the carbon balance in nature. The decomposition of various cotton crop residue leads to the formation of humus and thus increase the fertility of the soil. The utilization of composted plant residues replaces the organic fertilizers as cheap source of plant nutrients. Thus, there is a need to utilize these plant residues to maintain a satisfactory level of soil fertility. Similarly, investigations showed that active group of microorganisms decompose cellulose rapidly and produce early compost. The present research is aimed at isolation of microorganisms for rapid degradation of cotton crop residue. Methodology. First, isolation and screening of cellulolytic and lignolytic microorganisms, bacteria, fungi and actinomycete from soil. Second, biochemical characterization and identification of the selected potent isolates. Then, optimization of parameters for the growth, cellulolytic and lignolytic activity. Then, in vitro decomposition of cotton crop residue by using selected isolates, individual and in consortium under laboratory conditions. Last, evaluation of the efficiency of decomposed residue as compost for effective growth and biomass production of various crops like wheat. Targeted outcomes. Mixed inoculum of cellulolytic and lignolytic microorganisms would perform better in decomposition of cotton crop residue. Second, decomposed cotton crop residue would be used as compost for effective growth and biomass production of various crops. Third, decomposed cotton crop residue would be beneficial to improve soil texture, reduce environmental pollution, reduce cost of crop production and sustainable agriculture. Thank you.